is a video on the JJC LH-43 lens hood. Now this is a lens hood for the Canon 22mm EF-M lens. Now this is the pancake Canon lens that you get, and this is the lens hood on there, what you get. Now I'll put the lens to the side. Now what you get in the box, oh, just before opening that, I always forget this. We'll go around the box. As I say, you got the picture of the lens hood, the model number, same again, model number, lens hood replaces Canon's EW-43. On the back it goes JJC for lenses, Canon EF-M lens 22 F-2 STM, and the same again is written on the side here, Chinese writing on the bottom. Now and at the top here we have the JJC and a QR code. Now I paid on eBay for this £5.39 on there for this lens hood, and you get, that's all you get in the box is this lens hood, a certificate here, nothing written on the, just that written on the back, and here we have, and I'll take that out of the way, and here we have the lens hood here, and if there's any writing on the side of the lens hood, we have some writing on the side. I'll try and get that into focus if I can. There it is, which says JJC LH-43 lens hood. Now this is the pancake lens for the mirrorless cameras from Canon, mainly the M series cameras, the M, the M2, the M3, M6 and the M50 cameras. And all you do is simply screw that lens hood onto the front, and that's it, there it is, and that's your lens hood there. And as you can see, it only sticks out a little bit, but should provide you with a little bit of less glare into the lens than without it. Now I ain't a camera aficionado at all, I'm just a basic photographer who just shoots, takes pictures and takes videos just for my channel or for family purposes. But looking at other people who are photographers, I needed a lens hood, and this is the lens I mainly take when I go out on holiday or out for the day. I normally take this pancake lens because it's easy, compact with my camera to walk around with. Now, just before I wrap this video up, you can still fit the lens cap on there. So you can see, that's the lens cap fitted on there onto this lens, so it doesn't obstruct that at all, and it doesn't obstruct the lens, as you can see within there, it doesn't obstruct the lens at all. And it's, I'd say for the price, I know it's far cheaper than what Canon is selling that lens hood for. So for the price, for about £5.39, it is not bad. Anyway, if you are looking for a lens hood for your pancake lens, the 22mm, you can't go wrong with the JJC LH-43 lens hood for the Canon EF-M lens 22. And that's my video on the lens hood. Anyway, If you like this short video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down in the comment section if you got this lens hood and think it's worth buying, even at £5.39. I'll try and link in the description the item number, the eBay item number, so you can just put the eBay item number into the search bar to find this if you need it, especially for £5.39 at that price. Thanks for watching.